Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, July 26th. We see some softness here in the NASDAQ market. Really didn't give us follow through to the downside. The US dollar had a role in this as well as crude oil prices, but let's take a look at what's going on here. A fairly quiet day. I don't look for it to fall out of bed, and I'm not looking for a strong rally. I think on Tuesday we could have a relatively quiet day, and I expect it to stay inside the range from Friday. But let's move on and see what was happening with these currencies. We can see the euro did break as the dollar got stronger. However, by the end of that session, it held its own and buyers came back in. The issue is, can we see follow through from that market? This is bullish, but I have my doubts about any kind of strong follow through right now in that market. And in the interest rate markets, an unchanged type day is what we are looking for. That's basically what you see here right now. I think that's reasonable action. I had some questions regarding some of these other movements that we have here. For example, the notes, they traded above their bullish level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish, to give you an idea what that represents, is $1,093.75 is the magnitude change between those two levels. And again, just meant to give you an idea of what that represents. Over here in the bond market, the magnitude change as we traded above that bullish level, the magnitude change between the bearish and bullish is $2,281.25. And again, just to give you that kind of a reference. But what do we look for in the notes? I'm not looking for much. Right now in Asia, it's getting a little bit stronger. I'm not looking for follow through to the upside, but basically an unchanged type day, a sideways type move. In the gold market, if we were going to get follow through, we should have gotten it on Monday. We didn't get that. Here's Monday's action. I'm looking for a quiet day, not a screamer of a day at all for gold. I just don't think it has a reason at this moment to rally. And let's take a look at the crude oil market. We're continuing to get weaker as the dollar holds its own. Supplies are high. I don't look for strong follow through to the downside. And I expect this market to give us this downward pressure, but not a dramatic move down on Tuesday. But we're going to be waiting for Wednesday's numbers to react to. And in the soybean market, a quiet day is what we are looking for. We basically have an unchanged type day inside the range from Friday. I'm looking for more of the same on Tuesday. And over here in the wheat market, it did trade above its bullish level. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $700 a contract. And I'm looking for a sideways move for Tuesday's action. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. In the meantime, take care.